Hello everybody. Today it's a freezer day, special on over here where I'm living. And we want to make a so easy dish about good. We got cod fish. And what I did, I was wash, salt, and black pepper. And I gotta use anchovy, little flake of hot pepper, garlic, what do you call this?
Peppers.
Oh, the pepper, green olives, parsley, lemon, and olives over here, and I got a little white wine. Now, for start, we gotta start the go on the stove, and I want to bring over there the anchovy and the garlic. All right, now put the gas on. And we take the cover off. Now, this it's a really thick fish. And before we start, let's just say salute e cin cin to everybody. Salute, and thank you so much for your support, and thank you for the start. Salute. Drink with me nice glass of wine. Salute. Okay.
No, we just start, Billy.
Now we pour oil. And I want to do the anchovy first. I want to melt this anchovy. Oh, look, really good. The wine tastes good tonight. Maybe it's a freeze outside. I want to warm up by myself. Salute.
No, it's not sweet wine. It's dry.
I don't like a sweet wine, but I like the dry wine. Okay, and we did the anchovy now. And now we do okay, we load the gas a little bit. I want the anchovy gotta disappear over here. Okay, give a really good taste and the smell to the anchovy.
Thank you, Michael. He's drinking with you. In Ohio, it's cold too.
Hello, Mike. Drink with me. Thank you so much. Salute cin cin, and thank you so much for the start. Thank you. Okay. And now it's a time the garlic. And now we turn the garlic a little bit. And I want to bring the rest of the stuff on the stove. I got a pepper, the olives, everything over here. We got the pepper. Good.
Yes, catfish, yes.
The olives. These are the green one.
A, dobry wieczór.
Okay, now I got the flake hot pepper, the wine, and the lemon, and I got a parsley. Now we put the flake hot pepper.
Somebody invited themselves for dinner. It's from Red Bank.
Yes. It take you maybe 15 to 20 minutes to come. It don't take you too long. Okay, now we put the wine. Now, I'm not putting no salt, because the fish it's already salt and black pepper. The olives it's a little salt, and the anchovy it's salty.
You can use any olives you like. Yeah, we just put both green and Kalamata.
Now, we put some of the lemon. I don't use all, but I gotta use some. Okay. Now we leave it boil this little bit. And I got some parsley, cause we make nice green everything. This is a parsley from my garden. I got so much parsley outside. I got the cilantro, I got thyme, I got a lot of stuff more outside, but it's a cover. Now we load the flame.
We have it's Chardonnay white wine.
Salute chin chin. Oh, I got the prosciutto over here. Good.
Ah, good, Nancy.
Salute chin chin and say thank you so much for the stuff. Salute. Now, I got the oven on. It's a 400 degrees. But this is another fish you gotta cook for 40 minutes. 45 minutes you gotta cook. It gets really thick. It's a big fish. Look how nice. Okay?
Mary, she's asking, are you going for the vaccine shots?
The doctor give my ingredient to do the vaccine for me. I say I need the garlic and oh yeah baby hot pepper. I do by myself. No, I don't like to do. One time I did what it was some shot and I got an allergy. I say no more. I'm not do no more. No more shot for me. Okay. Now we put the fish inside. And we move this a little bit over here like this. And we put this other piece. All right. Now what I do, make a nice. Okay, I want everything.
Yeah, they melt anchovies, yes. It's just the flavor of anchovies.
Yes. And I want to put like this, the fish, you got the lemon, you got the wine, the garlic, everything. It was so many people who wanted me to do this dish like that. And I showed everybody that this it's really, really easy. Not too much work. The only thing what you gotta do, wash the fish good, put salt and black pepper, and you use one pot, after you put in the oven, it's it. look at that. It's so easy. In drink, you cook, you look at the fish, then drink the little wine. And thank you so much for the support and for the stuff. Now this, I'll leave it boil a little bit more like this, and after we put it in the oven. Salute, chin chin, and thank you so much for the stuff. Salute.
Yeah, you can use anchovy paste, yes. It's just for the flavor. No cover.
Now we load the gas like this. It's time from that day.
Yes, I'm cooking also, yes. Mostly breakfast and lunch.
Okay, look how beautiful. Okay? You know, it wasn't too long, but next time we make something, you know, little longer. But somebody want to ask me some question or something, please ask me. I can answer back something good. Okay? And I want to say it again. Salute chin chin, and thank you so much for your support and for the stuff. But the fish, it looked really good. I was a good shopper for the fish, and he was given to me nice, beautiful piece. I told I want a nice, thick one. And this, he was look, he was going back, and he was pick it up for me. He was bring this one. That's the way I like to show it everybody. So you get something like this, big, nice, thick, it's really good. But it's a thin, it breaks so easy. But this, it stay like that.
Can you say the oven temperature?
The oven temperature is 400 degrees, I got it. 400, and now you gotta cook. I wanna say it again, thank you so much, and we see next time. Thank you for your support, and thank you for the star. And now, this, you gotta go in the oven.
No, it's not printed, just video.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much, and thank you for the stuff. And after when we take out, my wife should take a nice picture to show everybody what it looked like. Thank you. See you next time. Thank you. Salute. Chin chin.